Outline of the presentation: changing canvas of e-commerce, e-commerce challenges, e-commerce security, technological solution, policies and procedures. Internet use: total number of active internet user is now 243 million. Internet user as a percentage of the total population 19%. Total number of active mobile internet user 200 million. Mobile internet user as a percentage of the total population more than 16%. So we are now social. E-commerce market in India: in every 1 minute we purchase any mobile accessories or health product. Every 2 minutes we purchase a kitchen product, mobile handset. Every 3 minutes a jewelry product. Every 34 minutes a TV. Every 35 minutes a baby product, and so on. So e-commerce market is now growing in India, and each minute of the day we purchase or show any product through e-commerce site. E-tailing format in India: this is the e-tailing format: generic e-tailer, online store of physical retailer, and so on. Flipkart, Snapdeal, Amazon, Naptol. So this Myntra, it is a leading e-commerce e-tailing format in India. Things people intend to buy online: ebook, design, air ticket, train ticket, photo, home appliance, SEO service, security service, electronics equipment. Why consumer prefer shopping online? 80% of internet users prefer to buy online from the following main reason: 73% for time saving, 54% less price, 50% is more variety, and 42% less taxes, and 28% no crowd. So it is the main reason to why consumer prefer now in online shopping. E-commerce sales is growing nowadays. Each and every year it's grow. E-commerce in India, uh, size of e-commerce is increase is 400% from the previous year. Percentage of category, the main percentage of categories increased 34% for electronics and 30% appliance and accessories. uh, Online shopper in India increased 63%. Average revenue per user increased 67%. Mobile e-commerce today. The main reason of mobile e-commerce is anytime access, browser on apps, and large users base. Mobile user base is adding up to 9 million connection a month. 90% of user use mobile phone per day today. India stand 11th in the ranking of online crime in the world. Constitution 3% of global cyber crime. So cyber threat is a global threat of now in throughout the world. E-commerce now. What is the e-commerce challenges? The economic growth of a nation and its security, whether internal or external, and competitiveness depend on how well it is cyberspace secure and protected. Challenges in e-commerce: gaining and maintaining commitment from management, maintaining IT resource, determining e-business application, security of information asset, legal consideration, roll out the planned fulfillment of transaction. Challenges in e-commerce in India: poor knowledge and awareness, logistic and shipment service, cash on delivery, fear factor, touch and feel factor, tax structure, online security, and online transaction. E-commerce challenges trusting the medium. Am I connected to correct website? Is the right person using the other computer? Did the appropriate party send the last email? Did the last message get there in time correctly? So it is the common fear through e-commerce. E-commerce security threat, growing internet penetration and rising popularity of online banking have made India a favorite among the cyber criminal who target online financial transaction using malware. Several major trends and having significant impact on security, infrastructure transformation, business transformation, threat landscape transformation. Security concern, authentication, making sure that the message sender or principal who they say they are, integrity, access control, and non-repudiation. Security threat in e-commerce environment. Three key points of vulnerability: client, server, and communication channel. Most common threat: malicious code, hacking, cyber vandalism, credit card fraud, spoofing, denial of service attacks, sniffing, and insider job. Type of fraud in e-commerce marketplace: buyer fraud, credit card fraud, reseller fraud, COD fraud, product exchange fraud, seller fraud, review and rating fraud, fake listing, price abuse, brand infringement, and seller production fund fraud. Risk percent convenience, register or connect through Facebook. This is a risk versus convenience. Remember details for next time. Password, how many do are we have? University bank and work logging. University email, Facebook, Skype, online shop, phone logging, bank, Google, Twitter, TradeMe, work logging, Microsoft, Instagram, Pinterest, and so on. E-commerce security tool, digital signature, public infrastructure, encryption software, digital signature, biometric scan, password, firewall, etc. E-commerce plan and policy, develop a security plan and create a security organization. Perform a risk assessment, development a implementation plan, perform a security audit. This is a developing of e-commerce security plan. Government rules and legal aspect. In IT Act 2000 govern the online issue of e-commerce in India. Legal requirement for undertaking e-commerce in India also involve compliance with other law like contract law, Indian Penal Code, etc. Online shopping in India also involves compliance with banking and financial norms.